Program number 25. Consider the series object S13 that stores the charity contribution made by each section. Section wise value is given. This is the contribution. Write a program to display which section made a contribution less than 5500. Less than 5500. Whose contribution is less than 5500? Section A 6700 less than 5500? No. Section B 5600 less than 5500? No. Section C 5000 less than 5500? Yes. Section D 5200 less than 5500? Yes. So section C and D is less than 5500. So first pandas module. Now what is the series object name is given? S13. So S13 equal to pd.series. Data equal to all the values you should write. Index equal to index name. Now as a print command, S13 less than 5500. This is for condition, and this S13 for displaying. And this part, why we have written extra, this one I have already explained in program number 24. C and D, because these two values are less than 5500.